How to download and install Photoleap? First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. Then, in the search bar at the top, type Photoleap and wait for the results to load. Make sure you select the correct app developed by Lightricks Limited, as there may be similar looking apps with different names. Next, tap on the Photoleap app icon from the list and you will be taken to the app's main page. After that, tap the install button. Now, wait for the download and installation to complete. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed, so just ensure your connection is stable. Once the app is fully installed, you will see an open button appear in place of the install button. After that, tap open to launch Photoleap. Tap on accept and continue to proceed. The app may ask for permissions like access to storage or media, which are necessary for editing your photos. Accept the permissions. You may also see a short tutorial or sign in option. You can either sign in or skip it if you prefer to explore the app first. And that's it. Now you know how to download and install Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.